just dragging in a bunch of images I've collected in a folder. And then the first thing I'll be doing is removing backgrounds by cutting up the pictures and using a combination of the color wand, the lasso tool, and an eraser. Something that you can do is use your Google search tools and actually search for images that have transparent backgrounds, or at least solid color backgrounds that are easy to remove. At this point, you'll see I'll be organizing the layers over on the right hand side to create a background, middle ground, and foreground layers, and sizing them appropriately. Right now what I'm doing is taking the character in the background and I've created a cast shadow by copying and pasting him, using the brightness and contrast filters, and then also transparency to create a shadow. In this project, you do have to show examples of depth through your use of light and shadow, as well as atmospheric perspective, size variation and placement, as well as some other known techniques of creating depth. Here you see I use the airbrush tool to create some clouds, and now I'm using the smudge tool to kind of smear those around, and again using the transparency to make those a little bit more clear. Hope you enjoyed that, and you'll see some more examples of some Fortnite work soon. Thank you.